Hey everyone, Matthew here at Botpress, and welcome to today's demo of the BigCommerce integration. So first things first, you may find yourself here. You need your store hash, you need your access token. Let's see how to get that. So you head over to BigCommerce. You can see within the URL header that you have store dash some random thing .mybigcommerce.com. This random thing is actually your store hash. So what you should do is copy that and place it in here. Then head over to settings, type API. Click enter, click on store level API accounts, create a new API account, name it whatever you'd like. I'm going to name it product sync with Botpress. Then as you can see here, we have these scopes. So basically what can this API do? So let's make it read my products. I'm not going to enable anything else. I just want it to be able to read my products, and I'm going to click save. And so now, as you can see here, I get the last missing piece of the puzzle, which is the access token. Paste that in here and click Save Configuration. Should take a little bit. It's setting up some webhooks on the API account. So as you can see, it was saved. We click Close. And now let's just go look at our logs. So let's just, it refreshed automatically. We can see here that 3 webhooks were created. So basically when a product is updated, when a product is created, and a product is deleted. I'll explain what this means. So first things first, if you go to your tables here, you'll see nothing. So you should refresh. And once you refresh, you'll see a new table was created automatically called BigCommerce_products_table. Okay, and so as you can see here, I have 13 products, with the latest one being the something 3000. So let's head over to BigCommerce, check out my products, and as you can see, I have 13 products with the latest one being the something 3000. Let's test out my webhooks. I want to update this product. I update it. I click edit. I edit the name of it. So I got a big update at my company. We no longer have the something 3000, but we have the something 4000. And so if I were to go back here now, as you can see, it was updated. Should take a couple seconds to update on Botpress's side. So let's just refresh everything, see if it was handled yet. So let's rejoin the session. And as you can see, we can see the something 4000. It was updated moments ago. So all of the other rows were updated a minute ago, whereas this one was literally just updated. So we update one row. Let's check our logs. Let's refresh to see if they came through. And as you can see here, we received a webhook and we received, and so we updated existing product ID 111, which as you can see here, that was the something 4000. Let's create a new one now to basically see what that looks like. So let's create Matthew's Toolbox, 20 bucks. The weight is 12 kilos. Let's click save. Let's go back. Let's refresh the table. So as you can see here, we currently have 13 products. Let's see if we're now going to be at 14. And so we refresh, and we're currently at 14 products with Matthew's Toolbox being found at the bottom. Let's refresh our logs to see what exactly happened. And as you can see here, we received a webhook for creating product ID number 119. And so lastly, it's imperative to note of a couple of things. So first and foremost, if you were to resave your configuration, you will manually trigger a resyncing if you'd like to do that. The next thing is that if you head over to your info, all of this is explained shortly in text, right? And lastly, as you can see here, it says testing windows / BigCommerce. Don't be afraid of this. I recorded this video before I made it public. So as of right now, it has this name, but on your side, you may be seeing BigCommerce 1.0.0. This is just my testing environment. It will look different when actually published. All right, so that pretty much sums up the integration. Have fun testing and happy bot building.